Hi viewers, today I'll be showing you how to check the status of your national ID application. So you go to the phone app and you dial star 216 hash. Here you choose any SIM card. These three options will appear, then you choose status of application since you want to check the status, whether it's out yet or not. Then you choose national ID. If you're checking the status of a newly registered ID, you choose number 1. Then if you're checking the status of a replaced national ID, like you're just replacing your ID and you're checking the status, you click option 2. In this case, we shall click option 1. Then you can choose either to use your application ID to get your information, or you can choose option 2, where they'll ask you to provide your surname, given name, and date of birth and district. Then your options will appear. But in this case, to make it short, I'll click option 1, where you just choose application ID. Then here you enter your application ID. And then this is the information that it will bring for you. And here it's saying, dear applicant, your national ID application is being processed. You'll be notified when it's ready. That means it's not yet out, they're still working on it. And if it's out, they'll tell you that it's out. Alright viewers, thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share.